Hi, welcome the foreigner in the Philippines. Early in the morning, we're here at Mananglina to give her monthly allowance from Pool and Dude. Thank you so much, Pool. It's 3,200 pesos.
Thank you, Sir Paul, sa gift. Thank you so much. Salamat sa imong gihatag nga dako ni katabang nako, Sir Paul and Dodds. Thank you so much nga sa medication. Salamat, Paul, nga dako ni katabang nako.
God bless.
God bless
Paul.
and God bless you.
Yeah, Pool and Dude, thank you so much. Pool and Dude also sent 3,200 to Juicy's family. So thank you so much for the money that you sent. It's very helpful to them also for the school fees and allowance. Thank you very much and God bless.
Thank you.